I'm Emily.
And I'm Ingrid.
We're the T-Zone, and this is Beauty on the Street.
So follow along as we chat with friends and spill a couple beauty secrets. Hey guys, we're taking Beauty on the Street inside.
Because it is cold out there.
So we're visiting some of our favorite fitness folk
To grill them on their beauty routines. Let's go! Hi guys, so we're here at Misfitstudio and we're chatting with the creator Amber, and we are just going to chat a little bit about beauty products that she's loving and what she does before and after class. Hello.
Hi, thank you for being here.
Thanks for having us. We love your space.
Yeah.
It's so beautiful.
We have some fun here.
Can you tell us a little bit about what you do here at Misfitstudio?
Yeah, this is a movement studio, so it combines modalities of movement that's basically dance, yoga, and Pilates all mushed together, hoping to shift the physical body into an emotional place where you can release all the that you hold on to and then feel energetically vibrant.
So tell us about your beauty routine. I know you have a very specific routine that you do after a class. Can you walk us through what that looks like?
Maybe even to dial it back before the class. I really think that health and wellness, like real life wellness, comes from the inside out. And learning how to treat our bodies is step number one. So I eat really well, I drink a ton of water, I try to sleep as best as I possibly can. I take a lot of supplements, so it starts there. And then when you wake up, it's kind of like the slate that you have to work with isn't so janky and creaky and wrinkled up. It's like, oh, I actually wake up and feel alive. So moving from that place, I have a routine, obviously. I love to wash my face with something really mild and gentle. So I'm a big fan of Province Apothecary. They use and only make things from plants and flowers and herbs. It's clean, but it's not scrubbed so clean. You know, sometimes you use product and it's like overwhelming.
Yeah, like that squeaky clean.
Yeah, or like almost scraping a layer off.
Yeah.
And then I spray rose water. And now I always say this wrong, but hyaluronic acid.
Hyaluronic acid?
Yeah. Like a pump of it, like a good globby pump, and then smush it all over my face. And then a serum that's also made from Province Apothecary. That's a combination of essential oils, and that's what sets me up for the day. I do the same thing before I go to bed.
Oh. Same products?
Same products. I also slather myself with peppermint oil, like around the halo, at the back of the neck, on my temples, and right now, because I'm super preggers, like all over the babe. And it feels amazing. And my pillows smell amazing.
Oh, what do you do with your pillows?
Well, it's the peppermint oil.
Yeah,
it just like soaks in.
Or...
No, it feels, it smells and feels good. It's all tingly. Highly recommend.
I would never think peppermint before bed.
Yeah.
Because I always think of peppermint as like energizing and like, you know what I mean?
Rejuvenating, like it's gonna like take you up
but that's
too much.
Interesting.
I think it's interesting how we can relate to whatever the routine is. So in my mind, that is bedtime.
Yeah.
I totally understand. Like maybe it's lavender for you or chamomile.
No, I'm gonna try peppermint now.
Yeah, try it.
I'm gonna try it.
I'm sold on it. I'm gonna put it on my belly. There's nothing in there, but I'm just gonna put it head to toe.
Okay, wait, can we talk a little bit about sleep for a sec? Because I know this is like a thing and people are talking more about how they can get the most, like maximize their sleeping time. So do you have any specific, aside from peppermint oil, like anything else that like gets you in that sleep zone?
Totally. I'm a big bath person. Okay. I love taking baths, putting Epsom salts or some kind of lotion and potion in the bath water that's really calming. Then I always take magnesium before bed. Oh. I'm a big magnesium pusher. Do not take too much magnesium.
Magnesium will make
just the right amount.
Okay, because it does say don't take too much, but it doesn't tell you why.
I feel like we need to talk about that.
Why, right there.
I feel like we need to talk about that.
That's important information,
It's
people.
important information.
It's a natural relaxant, which is wonderful for going to sleep. Okay. It's
gonna relax everything.
It's also amazing for if you've done a really intense class. Take it before bed and you wake up and aren't gonna feel all like, I really worked it yesterday. But yeah, it relaxes everything. Okay. So don't take too much.
Powder or a pin?
Yes, product placement right now. It's called Natural Calm.
Okay.
And just take 1 tablespoon in some
Just
like,
one
nice
tablespoon.
warm water.
No more than 1 tablespoon.
Let's talk about your hair because I think your hair is amazing and it's like your crowning glory.
Wow.
Tell us about how you take care of it and keep it looking so, like, it's just so, like, tousled and chic.
Wow. Okay. Thank you. That's very nice. I also think, like, going back to how I started to reel this back in, health and wellness comes from the inside out. My hair, I don't do anything to it. It's a testament to how I treat my body. So I wash it once a week. I let it air dry. I only ever use Moroccan oil and like 1 little pump, smush it in the hands, put it everywhere. And then if I hit like, day 4, day 5 and doing some extra cardio classes and it starts to look a little sweaty, I have an amazing dry shampoo that I don't remember the name of right now, and it's made for witches. So everybody needs to use it.
Oh my God, I'm intrigued.
Things just got mystic and I love it.
Yes. Witchy dry shampoo.
Very important.
This is natural. This is
This is natural.
You.
Yep. Sadly, I
amazing.
don't get it cut very often. I also
Perfect.
don't ever use an elastic to put it up. I used to, right? This is a big thing. Like once upon a time back in my dance days when my hair was always up, top knot, top bun, whatevs, I used an elastic, probably like wound it up 3 times.
Right.
And it would create breakage.
Yeah.
And my hair would never grow longer than a certain point.
Yeah.
So I started to ask questions like, why is my hair breaking? And it was the elastic.
Yeah,
so now, if I try to lift my hair off of my face, I just tie it into itself.
Oh, wow.
Or make a little braid.
Oh.
So no elastic. Keep those elastics away.
I love your lip color as
Yeah,
well.
lip.
Thank
And
you.
mascara.
Yes.
And
so
brows. I mean, and blush. I mean,
We're
look,
going
your
to
whole
talk
face.
makeup, or we're going to talk makeup because I'm not wearing any. I have been using the same mascara since I was 14 years old.
Oh my God, what is it?
It's voluminous L'Oreal.
Oh,
Waterproof.
Yes. Yes.
That
the
is
cult
an
fave.
iconic signature
Yeah,
mascara.
black with
Good
the,
choice.
with the gold,
Bow down.
gold
Yeah.
top. Yeah.
Black with the gold top.
Yeah.
That's it. And that is the only product that isn't MAC on my face. I use
Oh.
MAC everything else.
Is this Rebel?
D for danger.
Oh.
And then whatever lip color I use, I also put it on my cheeks.
Oh.
And I just like dab it in and smush it in.
Do you go straight from like the bullet onto your cheek, or do you dab your finger and then like, what's the application process?
Yeah, I put it right on my face.
The bullet on your face.
I do.
Oh, ballsy.
D for danger. No messing around.
We're living on the edge.
And then what about brows?
The brows I use, oh my God, I'm giving away all my secrets.
I know. Sorry.
Brun
Oh yeah, the powder.
powder
Yeah.
and a brush.
Okay.
So that's
That's it.
That's it. Yeah.
Well, thank you so much for
Thank
sharing your
you.
routine with
You're
us.
asking.
And we wish you all the best with your little baby.
Yes, with the new baby.
Thank you. We got to count down.
Yeah.
3 weeks.
Oh my God.
Holding on to Aquarius season.
Bring on the Aquarius.
Yeah. Thank you so much,
Thank you.
ladies.
Thank you. Woohoo. Yay. Oh my God, I hope you have a little aquarium.
I know. I know.